Hello, Mr. Sheffa's class. Today we're going to be getting signed up and ready to go with TinkerCAD. TinkerCAD is a 3D printing software, or TinkerCAD, a computer animated design software. It is used to 3D print, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get set up and a few of the interfaces that you guys will be exploring throughout this section of the class. So first you're going to go online, open up a new tab, and you're going to type in TinkerCAD. When you click on that, should be the first thing that pops up right here is TinkerCAD. All you need is a what if. So this is a program we're going to be dealing with for the next few weeks. You're going to go into sign up. Once you get into sign up, you're going to go to, it's going to say down here, create a personal account. So you're going to click create a personal account, and then you're going to sign in with your Google School email. So I'm going to click right here, sign in with Google. Let it verify for a second. And here we are signed into TinkerCAD. So here you can see everything that I've created in the past, my 3D designs. I've created about 31 different objects so far while using it. You guys, to start your first project, you guys are going to go over to right here where it says create. So you're going to click create. Then you're going to go to 3D design. So here is your general work plan for TinkerCAD, or your sample grid. This is everything. This is going to be your paper, if you want to imagine it as that. Here, you're going to have all of your basic shapes. You can go right here and you could add favorites. You could save creations. You can go to letters and numbers, creatures and characters. But let's start right here with basic shapes, and you guys are going to get some time today to play around with this before we get started. So let's start off with a basic shape. I'm going to drag out a box, a cube, whatever you want to call it. So here we have our cube. See how it is on the grid, and I can be using this tool at the top left to change the angle that we are perceiving this cube. We could go right here to zoom in. We could click right here to zoom out, or on your mouse pad, you could pinch your fingers to zoom out or spread your fingers apart to move in. This tool right down here is to switch to a flat view. But you guys, we'll just use a normal view for this. We can go right here and change the color of our cube to any color of our liking. Pink, green. I'm going to stick with the basic red that it came with on the shape. So let's say we drag the shape out to a certain size. When we drag it, it changes both the length and the width as we drag. So what we could do is we could just go right here, and let's say Mr. Sheffa says build a cube that is 20 in length. We could just type in 20, click enter, 30 in width, and 2 in height. Now we have a flat cube that is 20 by 30 by 2. Now let's say we look at it and we don't like it. We can go up here, we can click back or undo. Let's say we click undo and we don't like the way it looked before and we want to go back, we can click this button right here. We could also copy the shape and duplicate it, so now we have 2 of them. We can click up here, we can click delete and delete the one that we just made. So I want you guys now to play around with this program and just try to create something basic that you think you really would enjoy 3D printing.